In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your day with Asana. We'll walk through a simple routine you can use every morning or the night before to get clear on what you need to do and keep everything organized in one place. First, log into your Asana account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and find the section called My Tasks. Go ahead and click that. This is your personal space in Asana where all tasks assigned to you live. Inside My Tasks, you may already see a section called Do Today or Today. If you see it, great, that's where you'll focus your daily planning. If you don't, you can create it very easily. Look for the option to add a new section, usually labeled Add Section. Click that and give it a name like Do Today or simply Today. This will become your dedicated area for everything you want to accomplish before the day ends. Now, under that section, you're going to add the actual tasks for your day. Click Add Task directly beneath the Do Today section title. Type in one task you need to accomplish. For example, reply to client, work out, finish proposal, buy groceries, or pay electricity bill. Keep each task clear and specific so you know exactly what it means later. Repeat this process for every task you want on your plate for today. It's often helpful to quickly brain dump everything you're planning to do, then refine the list if it feels too long. Next, add deadlines so Asana can help you stay on track. For each task, find the cell or field under Due Date and click it. Select today's date from the calendar. If you want to be more precise, you can also add a time. In the date picker, look for a small clock icon, usually at the bottom left. Click that and choose the time you want to complete or start that task. This helps you space out your work realistically across the day. If you'd like an extra layer of organization, you can add a priority column. At the top of your task list, look for a plus icon at the end of the existing columns. Click the plus icon, then choose Single Select. A pop-up window will appear asking you to define the field. Name it something like Priority, then create a few priority levels such as Low, Medium, and High. When you're done, click Create Field. You'll now see this new priority column in your task list. For each task, click the cell under the priority column and choose the appropriate level. Mark the most important or time-sensitive tasks as high and use medium and low for everything else. This makes it much easier to decide what to tackle first when you start working. Once you've added your tasks, set today's due dates, and assigned priorities, you're done. You now have a clear, focused plan for your day inside Asana, all in one place, and ready to guide you from your first task to your last.